Welcome to the GK World. We will prepare for Current Affairs 2025 question for Olympiad from class 6 to class 10th. Whichever question paper you student come in for 10 marks. Let's start it. Number 1. Who has been selected as the 15th Vice President of India? A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. B. B. Sudarshan Reddy. C. Jagdeep Dhankar. D. None of the above. Answer A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Number 2. Who has been appointed as the chairman of IRDA? A. R. Doraiswamy. B. T.V. Somnathan. C. Ajay Sheth. D. Siddharth Mohanty. Answer C. Ajay Sheth. Number 3. Who has recently become the new member of BRICS New Development Bank? A. Indonesia. B. Egypt. C. Algeria. D. Bangladesh. Answer C. Algeria. Number 4. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sport 2025? A. Manipur. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer B. Madhya Pradesh. Number 5. Who authored the book Why the Constitution Matters? A. Justice Ranjan Gogoi. B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. C. Justice B.R. Gavai. D. Raghuram Rajan. Answer B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Number 6. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, been inaugurated? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Goa. Answer B. Kerala. Number 7. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? A. Nandini Gupta. B. Opal Suchata Chuangshri. C. Victoria Kaiser Thelvig. D. Kristina Pliskova. Answer B. Opal Suchata Chuangshri. Number 8. Which country hosted the 46th Asian Summit 2025? A. Malaysia. B. Vietnam. C. Philippines. D. Thailand. Answer A. Malaysia. Number 9. Which Indian state will host the FIDE Chess World 2025? A. Goa. B. Mumbai. C. Kerala. D. Gujarat. Answer A. Goa. Number 10. Mondo Duplantis, who won the Lures World Sportsman of the Year Award 2025 associated with which sport? A. Tennis. B. Pole vault. C. Football. D. Basketball. Answer B. Pole vault. Number 11. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of National Legal Service Authority? A. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. B. Justice Alok Arabe. C. Justice Suryakant. D. Justice B.R. Gavai. Answer C. Justice Suryakant. Number 12. Which country has officially become the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Moldova. D. Armenia. Answer C. Moldova. Number 13. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados Order of Freedom in 2025? A. Narendra Modi. B. Draupadi Murmu. C. S. Jaishankar. D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Answer A. Narendra Modi. Number 14. Where was the ninth edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? A. Bhopal. B. Chennai. C. New Delhi. D. Bengaluru. Answer C. New Delhi. Number 15. Who has been appointed as the Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO in January 2025? A. S. Somnath. B. K. Sivan. C. V. Narayanan. D. A. S. Kiran Kumar. Answer C. V. Narayanan. Number 16. Justice Sachin Sachdeva has been sworn in as the Chief Justice of which state High Court? A. Jharkhand. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Haryana. Answer B. Madhya Pradesh. Number 17. Who has been recently awarded the PEN Printer Prize 2025? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Leela Abulila. C. Geetanjali Shri. D. Banu Mushtaq. Answer B. Leela Abulila. Number 18. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? A. Varsha Deshpande. B. Brenda Royals. C. Kenny Odede. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. Number 19. Which operation is launched by India after a powerful earthquake the neighboring country? A. Operation Kaveri. B. Operation Shakti. C. Operation Brahma. D. Operation Ganga. Answer C. Operation Brahma. Number 20. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award for 2025? A. CSIR. B. NDRF. C. DRDO. D. INCOIS. Answer D. INCOIS. Number 21. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? A. Rajiv Kumar. B. Vivek Joshi. C. Gyanesh Kumar. D. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Answer C. Gyanesh Kumar. Number 22. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? A. 123, B. 125, C. 156, D. 130. Answer D. 130. Number 23. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Game 2025? A. Maharashtra, B. Services Sport Central Board, C. Haryana, D. Karnataka. Answer B. Services Sport Central Board. Where has ISRO launched the HOPE mission for Gaganyaan? A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Uttarakhand, C. Sikkim, D. Ladakh. Answer D. Ladakh. Number 25. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been set up? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Kerala. Answer C. Gujarat. Number 26. According to World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of FY 2025 to 2026? A. 5.9%, B. 6.3%, C. 6.6%, D. 7.2%. Answer B. 6.3%. Number 27. Who has been selected as the president of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? A. Zhu Ziai, B. Li Kuang, C. Kristalina Georgieva, D. Jin Likun. Answer A. Zhu Jiai. 28. Who has recently become the 89th Grandmaster of India? A. Rohit Krishna, B. Sri Hari LR, C. Divya Deshmukh, D. Krishnan Iyer. Answer A. Rohit Krishna. Number 29. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India? A. Amitesh Kumar Sinha, B. Nikhil Verma, C. Akash Tripathi, D. Santosh Sarangi. Answer C. Akash Tripathi. Number 30. Who was honored with the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? A. M.S. Dhoni, B. Sachin Tendulkar, C. Virat Kohli, D. Harmanpreet Kaur. Answer B. Sachin Tendulkar.